What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So at the beginning of 2023, Samsung will announce the Galaxy A54 budget smartphone as the successor to the Galaxy A53. The concept model shows what the new A series phone could look like. Since the Galaxy A53 will only be officially available for a few days, it will take another year before its successor is expected. However, that has not stopped graphic designer Pervez Khan, known as Technizo Concept, from making a concept for the Galaxy A54 smartphone. Although the design contains clear A-series features, a smartphone has been updated on several points. The designer Technizo Concept assumes that the Samsung Galaxy A54 will have symmetrical bezels. In other words, the black screen edges are the same width on all four sides. This gives the smartphone an extra stylish look. And the new A-series model follows the same trend as the high-end Galaxy S22 series. The screen edges of the concept model are significantly thinner than is the case with the Galaxy A53. It cannot, therefore, be ruled out that it will take another year before the A-series models also receive symmetrical bezels. Nevertheless, it is expected that in the long run, mid-range models also have the same sleek appearance as contemporary top devices. The display size and resolution may be preserved. That would mean that the Samsung Galaxy A54 will be equipped with a 6.5 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. However, it is also very possible that the display will be slightly smaller. We also see this trend in the high-end models. Both the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus are slightly smaller than before. The fingerprint sensor is undoubtedly placed under the screen, allowing you to lock the phone simply by pressing your finger in the display. The punch-hole selfie camera will most likely also be part of the party. It is still unknown whether the same 32-megapixel image sensor and f2.2 lens will be used for this. It has been used for 3 years in the Galaxy A51, Galaxy A52 and Galaxy A53. The designer has opted for a mix of the camera system of the Galaxy A53 and the top model in its design of the Galaxy A54, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. With the latter, a so-called water drop camera design has been applied, in which the lenses are incorporated directly into the back panel. Samsung Galaxy A54 features a 64-megapixel main camera with OIS and VDIS technology. In addition, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 5-megapixel depth camera, and 5-megapixel macro camera are built in. Like all Galaxy devices, the Galaxy A54 will also run on the Android operating system. By then, we will have arrived at Android 13 operating system, the first beta of which will be made available to developers later this month. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.